I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your transaction history on Payoneer, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Activity section. Once logged in, look for the Activity tab in the main menu. Click on it to view your transaction history. Step 3. Filter your transactions. In the Activity section, you can filter transactions by date type or status. Use the drop-down menus to customize your view. Step 4. View transaction details. Click on any transaction to see more details, including amounts, dates, and descriptions. This will help you understand each transaction better. Step 5. Export your history optional. If you need a record, look for the export button to download your transaction history as a CSV file. This is useful for accounting or personal tracking. Remember, if you can't find a transaction, it might be due to filters applied in Step 3. Double check your settings. I hope this helps you easily access your Payoneer transaction history. Happy tracking!